In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zia in Zoho CRM, a comprehensive guide to making your CRM experience even more powerful by harnessing the capabilities of machine learning. Before we dive in, let me briefly explain what Zia is. Zia is Zoho CRM's intelligent AI-powered assistant designed to assist with a wide variety of tasks from data management to analytics, helping you become more efficient in handling your customer relations. Let's start by getting to the Zoho CRM homepage. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which acts as your dashboard, presenting a summary of your activities, tasks, and more. Familiarize yourself with this space as it is the control center for everything you do in the CRM. Now on the left side menu, you'll notice an icon titled Ask Zia. This is your gateway to engaging directly with the AI assistant. Clicking on it opens a dialog box where you can interact with Zia. The interface is designed to be user-friendly and to facilitate seamless communication, allowing you to navigate through your tasks more efficiently. Upon clicking the Ask Zia icon, you'll be presented with a list of tasks and queries Zia can assist you with. This could range from generating reports and analyzing your sales data to understanding customer behaviors and trends. Take a moment to explore these capabilities and think about what tasks you often perform manually that Zia could help streamline. Next, let's learn how to put this into action. Look for the Message Zia option within the dialog box. Once you click on it, it opens a chat interface where you can type in your request or query, whether you want to fetch data, generate specific reports, or even set reminders and alerts. Zia can handle it through this messaging interface. Now comes the fun part. You can ask Zia various questions or assign tasks. For instance, if you want to identify trends or generate a sales report for the previous quarter, simply type in your request. Make sure your queries are clear and specific to get the best responses. Zia will quickly process the information and provide you with the insights or data you've asked for. Remember, Zia's potential expands as it learns from your interactions. The more you engage with it, the better it understands your needs, customizing its responses to fit your unique requirements. So don't hesitate to experiment and explore different queries. To recap, integrating Zia into your daily CRM workflow can significantly augment your productivity, offering analytics and solutions tailored to your business strategies. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let Zia do the heavy lifting so you can focus on building stronger customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you navigate through the powerful features of Zia in Zoho CRM.